What is the
What's
culture,
the culture of the company?
My answer is always, which one would you like me to talk to you about?
What do you mean?
Exactly. I mean that there are 18 countries, each one of them with a different culture. Which one do you know that works unilaterally and universally?
I don't know any.
Do you mean that your company basically has no unified culture?
My company has policies, doesn't have a culture, because my company is composed by people from India, which they have 238 different languages, from people from Iran, where every time you ask them, they consider themselves Persian, but as both of us know, the Persian Empire extended far beyond actual Iran. But for political reason, they will tell you I'm Persian. I have people from Palestine working shoulder by shoulder with Israelis in the same team. I have people from Egypt working with Saudi Arabia. And if you know, you will know that it's difficult for them to do that. I have people from Italy working with French and German and Spanish, with differences of opinion about which one has better cuisine. So essentially what I'm trying to say is like there is no one culture. There is a policy in the company. And that policy says that every culture has the right to be respected. So once you start in a company with that idea that your opinion, what is offensive for you, you can't just simply go and get offended, but you might ask, then that becomes a little bit easier to work with others. But if you are stuck in your culture and you are your ways, the culture is the right, like many California bros think that because they were beer ponging at the college level now, that's the culture of the startup industry. Well, that has changed very rapidly, particularly when you are going to outsource globally.
I mean, our company, Cognition Shared Solutions, is also fairly global. We've got people in Canada, in UK, in Slovenia, in several other European countries, Indonesia. that pretty much all our developers are there. So, but we still kind of consider that we've got certain, apart from written policy, certain culture, certain kind of way that we work together. It's less. It's obviously very respectful to everyone, but there is still a certain kind of common denominator, and I wouldn't want to kind of say it's the least common denominator. It's something that we've worked out together. That we've become a certain community.
Okay. What basis do you take in consideration for that community?
Sorry?
What basis of culture did you took in consideration to decide that community?
Respect.
It's something I think that grew organically out of common respect, yes.
So you didn't have a culture, you created one.
Yes, it was.
In a sense,
it was grown. Yes, absolutely. It's not something that we...
That's exactly what I said. We didn't have a culture. We started by accepting everyone into this community with policies and rules that everyone has the right to be respected in their own way.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that's created culture within the company.
Listen to Between Data and Risk podcast.